me out here so early in the morning?
We're going to do the sound of the letter J.
The letter J.
J. And the sound is J.
J.
Did you know the letter J was the last letter to be in the alphabet?
I thought it was E.
No, a lot of people think so, but it was the letter J.
J. J.
That's right.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
go.
let's say some words
like
that
that.
begin with the letter J. You ready?
I'm ready. Hey.
J.
J. Jazz. Ooh.
G.
G. Jet.
Jive.
That's a lot of jive.
Jiggle.
Jiggle. Come on. Jiggle.
Yeah, I
Let's
like
go
that.
old school. You want
to
to go old school?
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Joy.
Job.
Juice. Juggle.
Juggle. Let's go.
These are the sounds of the J.
Hey.
These are the sounds of the J. Hey! Did you like that?
I like that. Hey. Hey. The letter J.
Hey, 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 the letter J. J, 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 J. If you enjoyed today's episode, please share and subscribe to Fun with Tab, where learning can be meaningful and fun. See you next time.